All right, guys, we've got another ClevelandMoto unboxing video. What we're going to have for you today are 3 colors that we have not seen before for the Vespa scooters. These are 3 brand new colors for the Vespa Primaveras. We got the crates right here in front of you. We're going to go ahead, we're going to open them up, and let's see what we're talking about. So come on over here and let's check these guys out. So first one, this is the Energia Blue. We've been excited about this one. Kind of wanted to see what this guy looked like in person. So let's see what we got. Put that anywhere. Okay, well, this is that dark blue. It's not quite a midnight blue, not at all. It's actually a little more vibrant than that. I like it. It's more of a royal blue. I do enjoy this color quite a bit. Really classic. Got a nice amount of metallic in it. I do like the combination they did with the sand-colored seat. I think that's very attractive. So if you can get the camera in here and get up nice and close, we can get that color. That is a nice color. I like that. That's a nice deep blue. Very attractive, very good looking color. I approve. I really like this one. I think the combination with the dark blue color in the seat, I think, is an excellent, absolutely excellent combination. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at this, the next one. This is the color they're calling Ammonia, not to be confused with Ammonia. It is not Ammonia blue, it's Ammonia blue. And this is one of those satin finishes. The customers seem to really like the satin finishes, and I do too. I think they're really cool. They give the bikes a nice bit of texture to them. I really do dig the satin finishes on the scooters. This color, and what I'm seeing is I'm seeing that new headlight, and I really do like that fresh headlight they've got. Really impressed by it. Look at that. That is so cool. Dark blue, very satin. Got a nice shimmer to it. I think that it's very fair. The Marrone, that Marrone brown color they do on the 50th anniversary Primavera. Boy, this is a very good comparison to that, because it's got that same exact sort of satin finish. You know, a while ago, everything had that rubber-tone finish. Everything was like rubber. It was very grippy. They had a lot of helmets that were that way, but that stuff came off. It wasn't a good, reliable finish. This, you can tell, this is a really good finish. We've worked with some of our professional painters who actually work with these finishes with Audi and BMW, and I really do enjoy it. It's nice. It almost makes you want to touch it. So it's a nice blue, and it's a nice satin blue as well. Okay, the last one, the one that we've got, last one we're going to open is one we've been kind of interested in. Now, on the outside of the crate, there's not a lot, you know, Verde Metallic. Well, that really doesn't tell us much. And then certainly over here, I think, though, this is going to be the Relaxed Green. And the Relaxed Green reminds me a lot of that vapor color that Volkswagen did and that they did on those Honda Elements. And the Honda Elements have that vapor color, and I really like it. So let's see what this looks like in person. Yeah, that's pretty cool. That is a neat color. That is going to be popular. Boy, it's got a nice vintage flavor to it. That is nice. I do enjoy that color. Really sharp. I think it's a great compliment to the design and the style of the Primavera. I think the Primavera itself has got great lines on it, and I'd hate to see any color hiding the lines of the Primavera. New headlamp, of course. Really sharp. I like that. And if you get real close into that finish, you can tell that, yes, it is metallic. So this is not the old vintage pea green, not by a long shot. There's some serious mica in there. Boy, that's a nice looking paint. That is really cool. Just like the coral color had it really made an impression on me. I feel the same way about this. I'm really excited to see how this bike looks, especially once we get some accessories on it. I think this is an excellent choice. I bet you we're going to sell quite a few of these. So if you guys have any comments about the new colors for the Vespa line, for the Primaveras that we see here, we're going to keep giving you more and more of these. There's a bell button over there. Press that bell button. This way you'll be alerted to when we have new product like this, and when these things come out, you won't have to keep coming back to the site. It'll let you know when we put up new videos. We're going to keep doing this. As they keep giving us new product, we're going to keep giving you more information about it. Check back with us. We're going to get these together, get these fully prepped, and you'll be able to see them what they look like when they're all done, not just an uncrating video. Comments in the bottom. We do answer all the comments. Remember to ride fast and take chances. Cheers.